In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an image gallery to your products. So let's navigate over to our products by clicking on products over here on the left-hand side. And I'm going to click into my product over here. And I want to add some images to this product so that when my users are browsing through my catalog, they can see an image of the product that I am selling. So I'm going to go to my advanced settings over here on the right-hand side, and I'm going to click on gallery. This is then going to enable my image gallery. So I've got some pictures of a dog bed. So let's say that my product is now actually a dog bed. And then to upload an image, I'm simply going to click here and I'm going to navigate to my pictures here and select the pictures that I want to use. So I'm going to click on my dogs over here and upload that to my image gallery. So you'll see I've got my one image and I can go ahead and upload a new image. So I'm going to go ahead and upload the rest of my dog bed images over here and the last one as well. Open that. So there we go. I've now got my 3 dog bed images, and I can also go ahead and rearrange these images as they appear. So when someone clicks on this product, they are going to see one of these images first, and when they click into it, they'll be able to scroll through the rest of the images of this product. So I think I'm going to move this image over here to the front. So that is my main product image. I think it shows the product the best. So that is the one that I'm going to use as my first image. So when someone is scrolling on my site, scrolling through my catalog, they will see that image first and then click in and then they can see the others. So that is how you can add an image gallery to your products. And don't forget to go ahead and save those changes once you've done uploading those images. So those images are saved there. So that is how you can add an image gallery to your products. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to add downloads to your products so that you can sell downloadable content. I'll see you there.